This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaron cake toppers. We will begin by discussing the key ingredients and tools you will need for success. Next, I will guide you through the process of creating perfect macaron shells, emphasizing important techniques. Then, we will move on to assembling and decorating your individual macarons into a cohesive and beautiful cake topper. Finally, I will share some valuable tips for securing your topper and ensuring it looks fantastic on any cake. Creating flawless macaron shells is the foundation of a great topper. Start by sifting your dry ingredients very carefully to avoid lumps. When whipping your egg whites, ensure they reach stiff peaks for stability. The macaronage process, where you fold the dry into the wet, is crucial. Aim for a slow-flowing, ribbon-like batter. After piping, let your shells rest for about 30 minutes to form a skin, which helps develop their signature feet during baking. Once your macaron shells are cooled, it is time for the exciting assembly phase. Select a delicious filling that complements your cake's flavor profile. Buttercream or ganache are popular choices. Pipe a small, consistent amount of filling onto one shell, then carefully place another shell on top, pressing lightly. You can stack them, arrange them in a specific pattern, or even use edible glue to create more complex structures for your unique cake topper design. For the final touches, consider how your macaron topper will sit on the cake. You can use food-safe skewers, inserted carefully, to create height or secure multiple macarons. Edible glue is also excellent for attaching smaller decorations or connecting pieces. Add a touch of sparkle with edible glitter or small sugar pearls for extra flair. Always ensure your topper is stable and visually balanced with your cake before presenting your beautiful handmade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.